Hello everyone, Sam is from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this video as a weekly recap, Saturday evening. So let's get started. The last week started on October. What am I saying? October 7th, right? Yeah, Monday. So on Monday, this is the first trade, Euro Aussie, 7 minute, very nice long setup just above the wave, and then notice that the next trade the same day, exactly the same setup, which was pound yen on the 7th October. Same step, same setup, goes up above the wave and then came down here into the wave. Beautiful long setup. Here's my entry, SL break even all the way to the upside. Not a big trade, but yeah, something, right? So October 7th, these two. Then come October 8th, and pound start getting weaker, and this is what happened. So pound yen, because of the pound weakness, 7 minute entry here, all the way down 120 pip, and this is on the 8th. Pound USD, all pound weakness, and right there all the way down, this indicates up all the way to the upside. So this is from the 20-minute chart. Next was pound NZD. This is the level 96.03 after going to the upside, and it dropped from there 200 pip, 20-minute chart on the 8th, same day. And on the 8th also, pound Aussie, again it went up just to make the short setup. 82.91 is a big level, and hit that level and start dropping since then all the way down to back to 80.99. That was a weekly high on the 8th again. And on the 8th, pound yen, all pound pairs, 4 or 5 trades in pound, short, all short. Why? Because of the pound weakness. To nowadays, what's happening is the Brexit, the bad news comes out, pound goes down, right? And all pound pair, when pound gets weaker, all pound pair drop, except one, euro pound, where the pound is on the right hand side, that goes up. And if a good news come out for maybe Brexit or something, right, it's going to happen, then pound gets very strong and all pound pair goes up except euro pound goes down, right? So this is why the bad news, pound got weaker and all pound pair dropped. So this is on the 8th again, pound yen, this is the second entry, beautiful long 75 pip. Then comes on all the pound CAD. Now see, all pound pair, almost every pound pair that except euro pound, I had a trade on all of them. This is also short on pound CAD for 110 pip. Now on the 9th, this is what happened. Pound Aussie continued to the downside, right, for 85 pip, and let's see the effect of that. Pound CAD again, and another trade here for 60 pip. This is a big these boom moves because of the news. Something came and then boom boom, it's upside down, up and down, up and down, and then start dropping here. After that, also on the 9th, pound did the same thing. It went up and then wobbled here because of some kind of news, and then start dropping. And then on the 10th, tide change again. So I'll show you why. Euro CAD, this is a long trade on the Euro CAD from 7-minute chart. And on the 10th, now you see that the pound got good news from Brexit and from UK about the Brexit, and then pound started getting strong big time. 10th and 11th, pound got very strong, and because of that, this is one of those pound CAD 20-minute setup, and it went up 120 pip. Now you're going to see another pound long, pound USD, beautiful jump to the upside, came into the wave, gave me the entry, and gone to with the wind, right? 100 pip here. And another pound pair, pound NZD, just like pound USD, nice move to the upside. I missed early entries from 7-minute chart. This was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, all these wobble 7-minute entries, but I missed that. But still I got this one for 170 pip from here to here. This pair is monster, right? So it gives you a lot of pippage if you know what you're doing. Now this is on the 10th, euro, now pound, when pound got strong and pound pair went up, let me show you why. I made this chart on the 4th, and this is what happened. First pound got a little bit weaker, and then I said if we bounce from here, we can bounce if we stay above 52.60 right here, right? Above 52.60 will go up, below 53.29 will go down. So we went up from here, and this is what happened to this chart so far. See, it bounced exactly from there and went all the way to the upside, getting strong and sending pound pairs to the upside. Now this was last Friday, and then 4th, and oh sorry, let me show you this chart. This was on the 4th. What was a Friday? No, not this chart, man. It was up this one, right? So 4th Friday, and 5th and 6th was Saturday, Sunday, and 7th comes Monday, right? So pound first, like I said, they got weaker a little bit, and then getting strong on the 10th and 11th. So that's what happens there. And then the 10th and then 11th was time for yen. Yen started to get weaker big time, and all yen pair went up. So this is first trade, euro yen on the 10th, long, right? Second, New Zealand yen on the 10th, long, and this continued into this, okay? And then CAD yen entry here, and it continued the next day on the 11th into this 120 pip. Another one was Aussie yen, entry was here on the 10th. I held it all the way to the 11th, and it turned into this 100 pip on the 11th. And why yen was getting weaker, and why what happened there, let me show you the index chart, yen index chart I made on the 7th, Monday, that this would happen. This is a harmonic pattern Gertle, but bouncing from point C to above 23% line. I said we will go for point D and complete a Gertle, and then we're probably going to drop from there. What happened to this chart? As Friday, let me show you. What is that? Where is it? Oh, here. All right, this is what happened. Okay, this is where I said we're going to go up, and it went up straight and almost there. Okay, because of this, all yen pair went up, and that's why I have those yen trades. You know, CAD yen, New Zealand, Aussie yen, and Euro yen. All right, so this is how we trade here. And if you like what you saw, you just want to be a part of it, then go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com. And I don't know if I have it here. Let me quickly show you, and then you can subscribe there. Okay, and be a part of it. Today, Saturday, Sunday, you get all the files, and then you set up the charts, and from Monday get going. I do webinars Wednesday, Sunday, and Wednesday. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing a webinar, live webinar, and Wednesday as well, and where I explain all the setups and what tell you guys that you know what's going to happen, which pair is going to go up, which pair is going to go down. Okay, so you can you know easily take. And then also I have a Telegram channel. What's happening here? Why it's not opening? Okay, hold on. Let me show you the Telegram channel as well, and that's what I have here, where I constantly you know place updates, and then you know post the charts as well. Like this one, I you know for yen I posted when yen was dropping. It's supposed to drop first, so it did, and then I said it's gonna go up, and it did. Okay, and this was the up move, and you know this is the chart. These are the charts that I said USD is gonna drop, and it's dropping right now. And then Brexit news, all of these news I posted. This is what's going to happen. I just posted this, that Brexit, DUP Deputy warns that Boris Johnson's Brexit deal cannot work. This is the news an hour ago, which is a dangerous news, and it's going to take out all the strength the pound got on Friday. And it may send pound again to the downside. And then all pound pair going to turn to the downside again. If you got one more news like that tomorrow, that the Brexit is not going to work, the deal, the proposal that Johnson gave, that's it. The pound is going down again. And all pound pair going to drop, and I will take the trades, and I will show you how to take the trades from there. This is my website. Just go there if you want to be a part of it. If you want to get learn how to trade like this, go ahead and subscribe today. Get the files, set up the charts, and start trading from Monday. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day the rest of the week. One more thing, that I have also one-on-one coaching course here, where I can go on online every day or every other day on the Skype and teach you personally on the Skype one-on-one, and where I will share my screen and then show you every single thing about the whole business of Forex, including Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, support resistance, trend lines, how to do this, how to do that, every single thing. Okay, so if you are in need of doing that, you can sign up for this and then start learning. What I learned in 10-12 years, I can teach you in a month. Okay, and mostly I'll teach you how to take these trades easily at your will. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.